Hi guys, I hope you're well. Thanks for joining me. I've just heard the amazing news that 32 of my photographs are going to be exhibited in Switzerland for the next 3 years. So you can only imagine how happy I am. The interesting thing about my photography is that when I became a professional photographer, it was always a dream of mine to have a coffee table book with my name on it. So having my pictures exhibited in an international museum is obviously an added sweet bonus. As some of you know, besides being a photographer, I'm also a coach and a trainer, and I have a concept called Createfulness where I talk about playfulness, how we're all creative, and leadership skills development. And the interesting thing is that when I facilitate my programs or give talks, I always use my photographs as a visual aid. The flip side of that coin is that I've tapped into those concepts to get my photographs to this level where I've published books and they are now being exhibited. So what I've decided to do over the next few videos is I'm going to tell the story of the journey of what it took to get my photographs to Switzerland. But I'm also going to be talking about the concepts that I learned, the tools that I picked up along the way, as well as the skills and the tools that I incorporated to get my photographs to be exhibited. So that is what the next couple of videos are going to be about. So if you're interested in hearing a photographic journey with some tips and traits and skills development along the way, please stay tuned. Thanks very much for watching. Until the next video, have a great day. Cheers.